Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add price alert on Trust Wallet. If you want to add a price alert, maybe there is a particular digital asset, any form of crypto that you have been trying to have or to monitor their price alert. When it comes to crypto, we don't have a stable alert, we don't have a stable price for it. The price keep going up and coming down, and you want to support you want to eye track the price alert for that particular currency. Here's how you can go here is how you can get it done. Just open your Trust Wallet app on your phone, then you input your passcode. Once you put your passcode, then you tap on the gear button at the left top corner. Tap on it, then you tap on price alert on the second option, which is under wallet. You tap on price alert. Then from here you can add, these are the set of price alert that you have, and whenever anything change from their price, then you will be notified. You can see that it get notified. Okay, good. Get notified of price changes in your favorite crypto. So if you want to add another set of price alert or you want to change it, just tap on the plus icon. Then from here you can pick any form of cryptocurrency that you want to be notified of the price alert. So I'm just going to tap on this particular one, which is NAS. Then it will automatically be added to the list. And if you want to delete, just slide to the right, then you delete any form of the cryptos you have on the price alert. And that's it. Find the video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.